Let's ABC time. Ready? Let's go.
Let's call its name. Yellow color, purple color, orange color, green color. Let's draw uppercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Blue color, A for aeroplane, B for bat ball, C for candy, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, yellow color, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kite, L for line, M for mango, N for nest, O for octopus, purple color, P for pig, Q for coin, R for rainbow, S for sign, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, light green color, W for watermelon, X for X-ray, Y for yogurt, and Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.